What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency has become an increasingly popular subject for a long time now. Just as of 2018, there have been over 1,000 new cryptocurrencies, and the number is constantly growing, with everyone jumping on board the crypto train. This craze has brought about an increase in demand for blockchain developers, and new currencies keep springing up here and there. Whether you want to join in on the crypto craze or want more understanding about cryptocurrencies, you're in the right place. So in this video, we'll go over everything there is to know about cryptocurrency. So please sit back and relax as we embark on the crypto journey together. Hello, and welcome to the Crypto Channel. People traded goods and services using the barter system in prehistoric times. The barter system worked by exchanging goods directly for goods. So for example, someone can trade his 7 oranges for a neighbor's 7 apples. However, the barter system quickly fell out of favor due to its numerous flaws, including the fact that people's needs must coincide, the lack of a common measure of value, which forces you to make difficult decisions about how to trade your items, and the difficulty in transporting goods. After people realized the barter system didn't work well, the currency was brought to fruition. In 110 BC, an official currency was minted, and in AD 1250, gold-plated florins were introduced and used across Europe. From 1600 to 1900, the paper currency gained widespread popularity and ended up being used around the world. This is how modern currency as we know it came into existence. Modern currency includes paper currency, coins, credit cards, and digital wallets. For example, Apple Pay, Amazon Pay, Paytm, PayPal, and so on. All of it is controlled by banks and governments, meaning that there is a centralized regulatory authority that limits how paper currency and credit cards work. Now that we're up to date on the history of modern currency, the next question is, what is cryptocurrency? And how did cryptocurrency enter the market? Cryptocurrency, also known as crypto, is any type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions. In layman's terms, cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that does not rely on banks to confirm transactions. It is a peer-to-peer system that allows anyone from anywhere in the world to send and receive payments from anywhere in the world. Instead of carrying physical money with you for real-world transactions, you can use cryptocurrency payments, which exist solely as digital entries to an online database for specific transactions. Cryptocurrencies do not have a central issuing or regulating authority, but instead use a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. Cryptocurrency removes all the problems of modern banking because the funds for transfer are limitless and your accounts are safe from hacking, coupled with the fact that there is no central point of failure like in modern banking. In 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto created the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and released it as open-source software. It grew in popularity among people who needed to send money across borders without being bothered by banks or governments. As of early 2010, Bitcoin was the only cryptocurrency on the market, and it was only a few cents. However, new digital currencies entered the market, and their prices rose and fell alongside Bitcoin's. Many people lost faith in cryptocurrency as an investment vehicle because of the high volatility. However, beginning in late 2017, cryptos experienced unprecedented growth. In January 2018, the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies reached $820 billion before plummeting later that month. Despite the crash, the crypto market has grown steadily ever since. So how does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrencies run on a distributed public ledger called blockchain, which records all transactions updated and held by currency holders. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using computers to solve complicated mathematical problems that generate coins. Users can also buy the currencies from brokers, then store and spend them using cryptographic wallets. The thing about cryptocurrency is that it's not physical, so if you own one, you don't own anything tangible. Instead, what you own is a key that allows you to move a record or a unit of measure from one person to another without a trusted third party. Before we proceed with the rest of the video, make sure to check out the rest of the videos on our channel, like and comment on this video, and subscribe to never miss a video. Now we will go over 7 fundamental concepts that every cryptocurrency beginner should understand. 1. Cryptography. Cryptography is a technique for encrypting a message so that it can only be read by the sender and receiver. It prevents unauthorized individuals from gaining access to sensitive information. This type of security incorporates mathematical formulas, computer science, and engineering. Cryptocurrency uses cryptography for 3 main purposes: transactional security, control over the creation of additional units, and asset transfer verification. 2. Decentralization. This means that cryptocurrency does not rely on a third party to function. That is, there is no central authority that governs the transaction. Instead, transactions are traded directly between users. 3. Blockchain. A blockchain is a type of database that can store data. Think of it as small blocks of information added to a long chain. Each new block adds information about the previous and current blocks. The benefit of a blockchain is that every transaction can be tracked indefinitely and cannot be reversed in any way. 4. Wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is a type of bank account that stores digital currency. There are 2 kinds of wallets: hardware wallets and software wallets. A hardware wallet is a physical USB drive that can be plugged into your computer. These wallets are much safer because they are not directly connected to the internet. A software wallet, on the other hand, is a program that can be installed on a computer or mobile device. It enables you to keep cryptocurrency on your personal devices. 5. Exchanges. Exchanges are locations where coins can be traded, sold, and purchased. This is done through a peer-to-peer exchange, which means directly from customer to customer. You can trade and store various types of coins on an exchange. The danger is that if the exchange is hacked, you as a user may lose your coins. 6. Trading. Trading is a method of making money with cryptocurrency. Trading refers to the systematic buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. It's similar to stock trading. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies from which to choose and trade for profit. 7. Mining or staking. Mining and staking are mechanisms for approving and validating transactions. Each coin has a unique method for validating transactions. Miners and stakers provide a dependable network in exchange for cryptocurrency, so it is a way to generate additional income while also contributing to network security. Cryptocurrency offers numerous advantages, which is why many investors and even large corporations are interested in it. Some of these advantages include 1. Protection from inflation. 2. Transactions are more secure and private. 3. Easy transfer of funds. And 4. The blockchain cuts out intermediaries, which means that there are no payment processing fees. But like any other invention, cryptocurrencies have drawbacks, which include 1. It can be used for illegal transactions since they are secure and private. 2. Data loss can lead to financial loss. This means if you lose your private key to your wallet, you can't get it back and you would lose access to your coins. And 3. Cryptocurrencies are secure, but exchanges are not. They are very much susceptible to hacking. Cryptocurrency is the future of modern banking, and as a wise investor, you should get involved, learn as much as you can, and position yourself in the crypto world, because the crypto market will undoubtedly grow larger than it is now. If you want to learn more, you can watch our video on the step-by-step guide to getting started with cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.